The Cup Principle from 정법 Lecture 840. Two employees in the same cup factory both have identical tasks and working environments. They make the same cups. Although one works for receiving a paycheck, the other works while thinking about the people who will use the cups. His efforts are for them, for the people who will use the cups in the future. Both employees are working in the same environment and in identical conditions. In the long run, the one who works just to receive a salary can only toil and become a slave to that job. The other worker also receives his paycheck at the end of the month, but does not give too much thought to that, involved as he is in the pleasure of contributing something that is truly useful to someone. This way of working is an authentic contribution to society, and by performing his tasks this way, many new ideas to improve himself will arise. But most importantly, he would enjoy doing his work. A person who works joyfully acquires so much energy and so much strength that they don't even feel tired at all. Meanwhile, their thoughts run to those people who, for the first time, will use those precious cups made by them, thinking, in the morning those people might begin their day with fragrant tea, and then in the evening share the day's experiences together with family. What was originally simply a job to survive becomes a valuable resource for all of society. They make themselves useful to everyone, and so will we if we change our point of view and way of thinking by accomplishing our tasks for the benefit of others. This will make our days and our whole life an extraordinary journey. But in order to succeed in this, we must learn and develop ourselves.